Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm going to show you how to download a video in Muzie. It's really simple. With everything in Muzie and the other programs you use to practice, for almost every program I recommend, I suggest that you use a desktop computer or a laptop computer. If you're a serious studying musician, you want to have the options that come with a desktop or a laptop computer. That said, the things that I show you to do, including Muzie, can be done from an iPad or another mobile device, but I'm going to show you how to do it here on a laptop. And if you're on an iPad or another device like that, it's going to be very similar how you do this. You'll just be using your touch screen instead of your mouse, and the screen shape's going to be a little different. So I've logged into my fake student account here, Awesome Student. And Awesome Student has been shared some videos. So when you log in, your dashboard's going to look like this. Anytime I click, by the way, a little yellow circle is going to pop up. If you look at my cursor here, that's right by my face, when I click on that, a little yellow circle pops up, so you'll know when I've clicked. So Awesome has been sent some clips from his teacher, and he wants to download it. So here's what you do. You log in, you come to this dashboard, and right here, where all these yellow lines or circles are popping up, this is the list of places you can go. So right now, assignment is highlighted in purple, so I'm in the assignments tab. I don't want to be there though. I want to watch clips and download clips. So I'm going to go assignment, I'm going to keep moving. Here's files, chat, practice, whiteboard, and then finally clips, the second to last one. So I'm going to click on clips. And here's a bunch of random clips that I have shared to Awesome. So I'm going to choose one. Let's choose this one here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots all the way to the right of it. There's three dots right here. And I'm going to click either view if I want to watch it, or in this case, I just want to download it. So I'm going to click download. And now your computer is going to start downloading the video. If it doesn't do it for some reason, because sometimes it might not, then you just try this again. I've never had it not download. Every now and then a browser will get confused and you have to ask it twice. But as you may have seen here, mine took maybe 5 seconds to start the download. That is really normal. So once you've done that, that download is going to go to your downloads folder. Now I use Google Chrome as my browser most of the time. That's what I'm using right here. And so in Chrome, it actually pops up with this little box over here in the top right. And if I click the file folder here, it actually shows me the folder that is in on my computer. And then this open, this little pop-out looking, this square with an arrow in it, that actually just directly opens the video. So either way, you can do that. I'm on a Mac here, so it'll be a little different on your PC. It may be that that icon pops up in a different spot, but it works exactly the same other than that. So those are the steps. You log in, then you go to the Clips tab, then you choose the video you want to download. You click on the three dots to the right of that. Once you've clicked on that, that is where you can click to view the video if you wish, or you go down to the bottom and you download it. And it's that simple. I recommend that you download all of your videos and keep them on your device as a backup. Muzie has great cloud storage. They've not lost a single thing yet that I've had. But if something were to happen, if the data center where their stuff is saved has a problem and it were to be lost, then you've lost all your videos. So I recommend you download everything. That also gives you an easy way to play it on the video player of your choice and to not need to access the internet to be able to watch the videos. So I recommend you do that on every video. Have a copy. You'll be glad you did. Even if you never need it, you have that peace of mind. All right, reach out if you have questions. Now with everything, if you have trouble that is on the technical side, make sure to reach out to Muzie. In the bottom left here, there is a little support button you can click. It's got Sam's face there. He's the guy that made all this up. He's very helpful. He's a real person. He's not a robot. And he will help you. So make sure to reach out if you have technical problems. They are always happy to help you. And you'd be surprised how much Sam is available online. All right, everybody. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. And I'll get back to the instructional videos soon for music. All right. Bye, everybody.